Good evening students. இன்றைக்கி நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோன்னா கிளாசிக்கல் அல்ஜிப்ரா சாப்டர் 1 பார்சியல் ஃப்ராக்ஷன்ஸ் அதில் பாலினாமியல். இஃப் எ ஃபங்க்ஷன் f of x is of the form p0 plus p1x plus p2x square plus up to etc. pn x power n where p0, p1, p2, up to etc. pn are constant. f of x is called a polynomial in x அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. Two polynomials are said to be prime to each other if they have no common factor apart from numerical factors. அதாவது சரி அடுத்த ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் ஆஃப் பாலினாமியல்ஸ். Any polynomial in x can be expressed as a polynomial of the same degree in ax plus b. Let the polynomial be p0 plus p1x plus p2x square plus up to etc. pn x power n. Put ax plus b is equal to y, then x is equal to y minus b by a. If we substitute y minus b by a for x in the polynomial, we get the polynomial 1 is equivalent to p0 plus p1 y minus b by a plus p2 y minus b the whole square by a square plus up to etc. pn into y minus b whole power n by a power n, which is of the form a0 plus a1y plus a2y square plus up to etc. any power n, where a0, a1, a2 up to etc. an are constant. Therefore p0 plus p1x plus p2x square plus up to etc. pn x power n is identically equal to a0 plus a1 into ax plus b plus a2 ax plus b the whole square plus sub etc. plus an into ax plus b whole power n. இது ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி நம்பர் 1. சரி, ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி நம்பர் 2. p, q, r are three polynomials such that q is prime to r. If r is a factor of pq, then it must be a factor of p. Property 3. If the polynomial f of x is equal to p0 into x power n plus p1 x power n minus 1 plus p1 up to etc. pn, where p0 is not equal to 0, is equal to 0 for n different values of x, it can be expressed as the product of n different linear factors. Let f of x be 0 for n different values alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 up to etc. alpha n of x. Then f of alpha 1 is equal to 0, f of alpha 2 is equal to 0 up to etc. f of alpha n is equal to 0. Since f of alpha 1 is equal to 0, it follows from the remainder theorem that x minus alpha 1 is a factor of f of x. If we divided f of x by x minus alpha 1, it is clear that the quotient is a polynomial of degree n minus 1 and the highest power of x is p0 into x power n minus 1. Therefore f of x is equal to x minus alpha 1 into p0 x power n minus 1 plus up to etc. Let the second factor be f1 of x. Therefore f of x is equal to x minus alpha 1 into f1 of x. Similarly f1 of x is equal to x minus alpha 2 into f2 of x, where f2 of x is the quotient when f1x divided by x minus alpha 2 and the highest power of x in f2 of x is equal is p0 into x power n minus 2. Therefore f of x is equal to x minus alpha 1 into x minus alpha 2 into f2 of x. Continues this process. The process continue panna we get f of x is equal to x minus alpha 1 into x minus alpha 2 plus up to etc. x minus alpha dn into f dn of x, when we have taken one factor x minus alpha 1, the quotient f1 of x is p naught into x power n minus 1 plus up to etc. When we have two factors x minus alpha 1 and x minus alpha 2, the quotient f2 of x is p naught x power n minus 2 up to etc. Thus, when we have taken out n factors x minus alpha 1, x minus alpha 2, comma x minus alpha n, the quotient f1 of x is p naught x power n minus n, that is p naught x naught, which is simply p naught. F of x identically equal to p naught into x minus alpha 1, x minus alpha 2, x minus alpha 3 plus up to etc. x minus alpha n. This is property number 3. Property number 4. If a polynomial of degree n in x be equal to 0 for more than n distinct values of x, then the coefficient of every power of x is 0. Let the polynomial be of degree n, அதாவது f of x identically equal to p naught into x power n plus p1 x minus n minus 1 plus up to etc. pn, where p naught not equal to 0. Let f of x be 0 when x has distinct values alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha up to n. Therefore, f of x is equal to p naught into x minus alpha 1, x minus alpha 2 up to etc. x minus alpha n. Now suppose that f of alpha is equal to 0 when alpha is different from alpha 1, alpha 2 up to etc. alpha n. Then f of alpha is equal to 0, that is p naught into alpha minus alpha 1, alpha minus alpha 2 up to etc. alpha minus alpha n is equal to 0. தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் புதிய சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிற பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் நாங்கள் போடுற வீடியோஸ் வந்து நோட்டிஃபிகேஷனாக கிடைக்கும். தேங்க்யூ.